Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Blue Ember Grill parts are probably one of the most essential components for any grill master looking to maintain the peak performance and longevity of their beloved outdoor cooking appliance, ensuring that every sear, smoke, and sizzle is executed to perfection, transforming your backyard into a culinary haven where delicious meals are crafted with ease and consistency, making it a worthwhile investment for passionate cooks. Number 5. SHINESTAR 900D Oxford Grill Cover. This grill cover is designed for a perfect fit with Traeger Pro Series, Z grills, and many other pellet smokers. Please measure your smoker to ensure compatibility before purchasing. Constructed from premium 900D Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it's built to resist tears and punctures. This heavy-duty cover is designed to withstand years of outdoor use, season after season. Featuring a waterproof PU coating and UV-resistant layer, it effectively blocks rain and prevents fading from sun exposure. It offers breathable, eco-friendly protection for your grill year-round. The bottom drawstring cinches tight, ensuring a secure fit that locks out wind, even during strong gusts. This provides a reliable and adjustable fit, unlike less secure closures. A convenient side zipper allows for easy access without full removal. The dirt-repellent surface wipes clean effortlessly with a damp cloth, making maintenance a breeze. What we like. This grill cover offers superior durability with its 900D Oxford fabric, ensuring it withstands the elements season after season. Its waterproof and UV-resistant coating protects your grill from rain, sun, and fading. If you're looking for a cover that provides robust, all-weather protection and a secure fit that won't blow away, this is the one for you. What people say. This grill cover is made of heavy-duty material that has held up well against the elements. The cover fits my grill perfectly and provides excellent protection from rain and sun. Easy to clean and maintain, this cover has kept my grill looking new. Number 4. Uniflasy Universal Adjustable Grill Grease Tray. Keep your grill clean with our universal grease tray. It's designed to fit most 3, 4, or 5 burner gas grills, with an adjustable length to ensure a perfect fit. This replacement drip pan is compatible with many popular grill brands, including Nexgrill, Charbroil, Kenmore, and Dynaglow. Please check the dimensions to ensure it's the right fit for your specific model. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant metal, this grill accessory is built to last. Its durable construction won't deform under high heat, and the polished edges ensure safety. Enjoy mess-free grilling thanks to its innovative leak-proof design. An inclined channel directs grease to the catcher pan, preventing messy drips and spills. Setting it up is a breeze with its simple adjustment mechanism and two-piece construction. Cleaning is just as easy, simply wipe off the grease after use. Your purchase includes one adjustable universal grill grease tray and one grease catch pan. It's a direct replacement for many OEM part numbers. What we like. This universal grease tray is designed to fit a wide range of gas grills, making it a versatile choice for many grill owners. Its leak-proof design and durable metal construction ensure a mess-free grilling experience and long-lasting use. If you have a grill with a non-standard drip pan or are tired of messy grease spills, this adjustable and easy-to-clean tray is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The Blue Ember Grill parts are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. The design allows for easy installation, making it a convenient upgrade for your existing grill. These parts significantly improve heat distribution across the grill surface, leading to more even cooking results. Number 3. Charbroil Commercial Infrared 3-Burner Cast Iron Grill Grates. Elevate your grilling experience with these premium cast iron grates. Designed for optimal heat distribution, they ensure perfectly cooked meals every time. These grates are engineered for a precise fit on your Charbroil Commercial Infrared 3-Burner Grill. Enjoy a seamless replacement process and get back to grilling in no time. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, these grates are built to last. They provide exceptional heat retention, searing your food beautifully for that authentic barbecue flavor. Replacing your old grill grates is a breeze with this 3-pack set. Simply remove the old ones and install these new ones for an instant upgrade. With ample space, these grates offer plenty of room to cook for family and friends. Measure your existing grates to ensure a perfect match before ordering. We're here to help if you have any questions or concerns. Your satisfaction is our priority, so please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like. These cast iron grill grates are specifically designed for Charbroil commercial infrared 3-burner grills, promising a perfect fit and enhanced grilling performance. Cast iron is known for its excellent heat retention and searing capabilities, giving you restaurant-quality results. If you own a compatible Charbroil infrared grill and want to achieve superior searing and flavor, upgrading to these grates is a must. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, making it great for searing steaks. The build quality is excellent, with heavy-duty stainless steel construction that feels very durable. It has a large cooking surface, which is perfect for grilling for a crowd. Number 2. Sally's Organic 16-ounce amber glass spray bottles. Keep your valuable essential oils, cleaning solutions, and homemade hair products safe from UV light. Our amber glass bottles offer superior protection. These large 16-ounce bottles are perfect for a variety of uses, from plant care to DIY cleaning. They are designed to be refilled and reused, saving you money and reducing waste. Achieve the perfect application every time. The durable nozzle easily switches between a fine mist and a steady stream, catering to all your needs. Crafted from high-quality glass, these bottles are built to last. Their elegant amber design adds a touch of sophistication to any home or workspace. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have a bottle ready when you need it. They are ideal for organizing and storing your favorite liquids. What we like. These amber glass spray bottles are perfect for storing and dispensing a variety of liquids, from essential oils to cleaning solutions. The amber glass protects contents from UV light, preserving their potency. If you prefer to make your own cleaning products, use natural essential oils, or need a durable and reusable spray bottle for any purpose, these 16-ounce bottles with a fine mist setting are a great eco-friendly choice. What people say. The grill parts are a perfect fit for my Blue Ember Grill, making installation a breeze. I was impressed with the quality of the materials used in these replacement parts. They feel very durable and well made. The design of the new burners ensures even heat distribution across the entire grill surface, leading to consistently better cooking results. Number 1. BBQ-Element Grill Thermometer Replacement. Ensure your grilling is always cooked to perfection. This replacement gauge accurately measures temperatures from 100 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 3-inch diameter dial, checking your grill's temperature is quick and effortless. The large display makes it easy to see at a glance. This part is designed to fit a wide range of popular grill models. It's a perfect replacement for many brands, ensuring your grill is always ready for use. Don't let a faulty thermometer ruin your barbecue. This durable gauge is built to last, providing reliable temperature readings for countless grilling sessions. Keep your outdoor cooking experience optimal with this essential grill accessory. It's the perfect solution for maintaining precise heat control on your grill. Replacing your old grill thermometer is straightforward. This part is designed for easy installation, getting your grill back to optimal performance in no time. What we like. This grill thermometer offers an accurate temperature reading from 100 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring precise cooking control. Its large, easy-to-read dial makes monitoring temperature simple, even from a distance. If your current grill thermometer is broken, inaccurate, or missing, and you need a reliable replacement that fits a wide variety of grill models, this is a practical and essential part to have. What people say. The grill parts are a perfect fit for my Blue Ember Grill, making installation a breeze. These replacement parts have restored my grill's performance to like-new condition, heating evenly and maintaining consistent temperatures. The quality of the materials used in these parts is impressive, suggesting they will last for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.